you use Christmas paper, you get some cute butterflies to put on your Christmas tree. But we're not going to pronounce that word yet. Not had my summer holidays yet. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous beginning of the new week and I had a great weekend. Guys, as you're watching this video, as you know, I am in Italy with Jamie, so I film quite a lot of videos in advance. And today I want to share with you my September VIP kit. So you might know, you might not know, on my website you find all the kits that I share projects here on YouTube, so you can have a look at some inspiration, and then if you fancy, if you like to support myself and Jamie's journey, go on the website and purchase the digital kit. Then I have created this. It was a lovely kind of like it was an inspiration from another crafter, so we're meeting halfway. She gave me quite a lot of ideas for the website, and so suggested to create something more premium for a small selected amount of people. And I had last month, I had a lot of you guys that joined the VIP subscription. What is the VIP subscription lounge? I call it VIP lounge. I have designed 12 kits that you will get as a part of the early subscription. So you subscribe today, you get September's kit, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July and August. So you get 12 kits that are specifically designed for the VIP lounge. They are not available on the website for other people to buy it. Okay, so this is a little treat. And this is why it's called VIP. So I have emailed, you get the kit in the beginning of the month. So I have already emailed this kit to my VIP members. So, because I always do that. I always send them the kits first and then film a project because I don't want to spoil the surprise. Okay. So all my lovely ladies already had this with them. So this month, this kit is huge. It has 22 pages. Yes, because I like to treat my VIP members. It's kind of two separate kits, but I put it all together and it's called The Sound of Music. So let me go in through the papers and then I will share a project I wanted to do for a very long time. And I wanted to wait until I get the right paper to do it. And I thought that this kit will work beautifully. Okay, so as you can see, it's all about music. So you get 10 pages of rare music notes or music sheets, as you want to call it. So they're very vintage, they're very old. So you get 12 pages, and I did a collection of writing and a bit of songs in there as well. So you get 10 of those. They're all different. So if you can play the piano, if you like to sing, please sing it to me. I have many talents, but singing, unfortunately, is not one of them. La, 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 la. I can't. I really can't. Yeah, but I always wanted to know. Well, not to know, but I wanted to be able to sing. But honestly, guys, I'm not going to even attempt to sing because otherwise you're going to have a heart attack on your chair. And I don't want to be responsible for causing problems to you guys. So 10 pages of plain music sheet, and then that's where the fun begins. So and then of course it wouldn't be me without flowers and without butterflies. So you get without birds. So you get all of this in this kit. Then I create another 12 page of background, tags, embellishments and all sorts. So that's one. Love it. So again, you can fold it. So you get 2 pages of your journal. You can create envelopes. Then I made you some cards. So two of those are landscape, 2 of those are portraits. So I used that background and I created these beautiful paper cards. It can be used as greeting cards or you can use it as journaling cards, and 2 landscape. Sorry, 2 portraits. Love it, love it, love it. Then I'll just give you 10 plain tags that you guys can do anything you want with it. You can fussy cut and embellishment, you can do napkin decoupage on top of it, you can do what you want. They're very, very plain for you guys to fussy cut and play with it. Then I give you 2 gigantic tags. They are huge, absolutely huge. And then 2 big embellishments. Love this. It's been a nightmare because I created a wax seal and then done all the flowers on top, so it took a long time, but it's all worth it. This is probably my favorite page, the one on the left. You got these beautiful flowers with these beautiful pink birds, and then on this one you got more like a blue and brown notes. Again, you can do this as a 2 pages, or you can do anything you want with them. Then you've got a full background with me. It's me dancing and singing. No, I'm not as chunky as that I used to be, but I'm getting there with the gym and all sorts. Just a beautiful background, guys, with this romantic cherubs. I almost forgot what they're called. I wanted to say angel, but then I corrected myself. With these cherubs. I love cherubs, and I got a kit with all just cherubs. Keep looking, because they're gonna come out soon. Then I got 2 embellishments. Again, when I found those, and then I start playing with the background, I thought they can do 2 beautiful cards, or they can be pages for notebook or journals. Then you've got a postcard, because it wouldn't be a full kit without a postcard, with a beautiful peacock, and then 3 more embellishments. They can be like pockets for your journal, or they can be embellishments. Then this is where I love it. This is probably my favorite ever kit that I have designed, because I created this kit with every initial of the alphabet, so every letter. So I thought this will look brilliant for Christmas. You can put some Christmas embellishment here, and you can use as a tag. So you got 1 tag per letter. And I love this font. It's quite not medieval, but definitely more like Renaissance, medieval, oldie wordy thing. Love it, love it. So you get all the letters from A to J, then you got K to T. Love it. And then U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, and then I just repeat some random letter, N, A, M, P. Don't ask me why, I just fancy repeating them. But you can print them as many as you want. And then last page, it wouldn't be me without some butterflies, so I giving you some butterflies, so you can fussy cut them and use them as an embellishment. So what you need to do to get this kit, honestly guys, there is a subscription on my website. I will put the link down below, and that will take you, it's £45. What you get 1 kit every month. You get 20% off my website every single day, anytime you want, for the full year. So that's your own code. So every time you fancy a kit on my website, you get 20% off for the full year, anytime, and that's including sale items, everything. And then every month you got a special offer. Okay, so you can do anything that you want with this offer. Okay, so there's a very, very and this is what the whole point of creating the VIP lounge. Okay, I'm gonna do a project with this. I'm going to show you in just a moment. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I made these, oh, got glue, sorry, these hanging butterfly decoration. So it hangs like that, and that is the beauty. So you've got a butterfly folding on the back, and then one of the butterflies from the kit on top of it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I kept it quite simple, but you can go all over with the gold wax and make it quite, you know, quite dramatic, but I like it quite simple. So the starting point of this is a square. So you just need to get a square of any sort of size. This is part of, again, one of the page from the kit. This one was just one of the plain pages. The starting point of this was a 7 by 7. This is 5.5 by 5.5. So this butterfly we're going to make with you guys is going to be significantly smaller than this one, and that's to show you that you can use any sizes that you want. Okay, so you need a square that you're going to chop in half, so you get two rectangles like that. We're going to put one aside for a moment, and the other one we fold in half. This is not an origami because we're cutting, like, you know, that was cut, and also we're using some glue, but it doesn't really matter. So you fold it in half, and then we're going to fold. We do like a little paper boat fold, like I call it, the paper boat fold. So you do the two sides of the rectangular folding towards the tip in there. We do the same on this side. Okay, so one comes down and one goes up. Okay, and then you just fold it back up like that. Okay, so this section here is the bottom of the butterfly, so that one is this one here. Okay, the two bottom. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to fold concertina, so we get this lovely effect. So it's totally up to you how thick you want these folds here to be. Okay, I'm not going to give you any measurement, just go with the flow. Hashtag go with the flow. So, and then you just need to fold it in a concertina way. Okay, and we do exactly the same on the reverse. Okay, so we got something that looks like this. Okay, so we fold it, so that's the rectangular. Yeah, are you with me? Then we fold it in half. So get the two. Okay, and that is it. So that is that one. So we got the two. Oh no, sorry, ignore me. This one is the top one. So that one is the top one, the top wings. Ignore me. Yeah, so that's the top wings. Now with this one, turn it over. We start from the bottom, we walk way up, and we do this exactly the same concertina fold, and trying to leave the same space that you left when we did the previous concertina fold. Okay. And that is the bottom one. Okay, so what we're going to do, we need a string. I'm just using this gold ribbon. It's quite like gold, and I think gold and floral go so well together. And then what you guys do, you simply attach the top bit with the bottom bit. Okay, but you need to watch out because you need to make sure that you've got your printer size matching. Okay, because that's the printed side, that's the plain. Okay, so make sure those two meet in the middle. And then what you do, you just put your thread through and trying to do it in the middle of the butterfly. And then I'll just create a little loop. Chop the excess off. So we got that lovely loop in there. And then what you guys do, you just simply open it back out, and then we're going to glue when the two half meet, because they aren't meeting here in the middle. So put glue in there. And then what I did with my scoring book, with my scoring tool, I press it down, and we do the same on the other side. So you see it there, when one end and the other one starts, we just put the glue. Okay, and then you just open it back out, just be a bit gentle, especially because it's still a bit wet. I mean, there could be Christmas decoration, I suppose. If you use Christmas paper, you get some cute butterflies to put on your Christmas tree. But we're not going to pronounce that word yet. Not had my summer holidays yet. To be fair, we've been quite lucky this year because we're going to Italy twice. We've been in April and then we're going now. I like September because where I'm from, in the south of Italy, is really, really busy. It's a very touristy place. September is normal. The kids gone back to school and it's a bit more quieter and less hot as well for Jamie to enjoy. Okay, look at that. So that's the gigantic version, and that is the smaller version. Which one do you guys prefer most? Let me know in the comment. I do like the big one. I just wished I used the printer version, because I think that with the printed music sheet with the floral butterflies, it goes really, really well. But again, they're very different, but yet very similar. Okay, right guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big butterfly floral thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel as well. If you wish to join my yearly membership, it starts in September for you guys, so you get from September, October onwards, so you get 12 kits. So yeah, follow the link down below and will take you straight to my website, and then you will get this kit. So if you join any days in September, of course up to the 30th, I think it's 30th in September or 31st, I can't remember. Anyway, so if you join in September, it doesn't really matter what day, you get this kit, and then automatically I will send you in the beginning of every month, I send you the new kit. Okay, right guys, that's it. Have a wonderful week, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well.